Select the range of cells, the table, or the whole sheet that you want to apply conditional formatting to. On the Home tab, in the Style group, click Conditional Formatting. Point to icon sets. Excel has a number of different icon sets, organized as directional, shapes, indicators, ratings. A 3-icon set uses one icon to highlight highest values, another icon for middle values, and another icon for lowest values. Now click the icon set that you want. The cells will have icons indicating how large the values are compared to the other values in the range. The green color is used for the highest values, yellow for the middle values, and red for the lowest values. Excel automatically calculates and chooses which values get which colored icon. To clear rules, select the cells, go to Conditional Formatting, point to Clear Rules, and then click Clear Rules from selected cells.